Hey guys, Karan Binani from Mobi Scrub here, and we'd be reviewing the gaming performance of the Galaxy A6 Plus. Now, the A6 Plus promises to deliver superior performance in the upper middle segment of smartphones. Now, within this segment, smartphones are expected to deliver flawless gaming, and that's exactly what we'll be testing here with the Galaxy A6 Plus. Now, I'll keep talking about the performance while I'm playing the game, and the name of the game would always be on the top for your reference. Now, the A6 Plus is powered by a Snapdragon 450 processor, which was launched at MWC last year in Shanghai, and it's a pretty decent processor which comes integrated with the Adreno 506 GPU that obviously supports the gaming experience a lot. But while I'm playing the game Chameleon Run, it's quite a resource intensive game, and earlier phones used to even heat up while playing this game. However, processors have gotten pretty efficient now and they don't heat up, but I can surely see some lag while I'm playing this game on the A6 Plus. It happens sometimes and I'm not sure if you're able to make that out while I'm playing in the video, but I can actually see some frames stuttering a bit, which is not good. Again, that could depend on the game, but the Super AMOLED screen really stands out. It looks gorgeous. You can see how nicely colors are standing out. It's quite punchy, saturated, and vivid. And I really adore the Samsung Super AMOLED displays anyway, and that's, and Galaxy A6 Plus is no exception. Now, playing Modern Combat 5 actually feels smoother and better than the last game, Chameleon Run, that was just before this. Now, I'm using the 4GB RAM model, so it's definitely a notch above the 3GB RAM model, but I do worry that the 3GB RAM model might lead to some lag or delay while playing even the Modern Combat 5. Again, I'm not so sure, but it's just a prediction. But on the plus side, the 6-inch display is a real treat. Even more so because it's almost edge to edge, it's following that infinity design. Not so much on the top and the bottom bezels, but it is true for side bezels. And it is a 18.5:9 ratio, so you get a pretty decent full screen app experience. Now, the A6 Plus also has Dolby Atmos setting that works very well with earphones and earphones only. So if you were playing with earphones plugged in, ensure that you go into the Dolby Atmos setting and set to movie or something. I'm not too sure if that's going to make a lot of difference. It really depends on the game, but I think it might just make it a little bit better and it might just enjoy it more. And even while I'm playing this game, which is Cover Fire, again, no delays here, no lags, no frame stuttering, no issues really. I think it was more for Chameleon Run that I was playing the first game. Again, this game, it's really smooth, no hassles whatsoever. Alright, the next game is Asphalt 8, and it's like one of those must-have games that you must test on a phone to really see if your device is really up for it. And that's because, again, the Asphalt 8, it requires a good processor, it requires RAM, it really requires a great screen because, then you can really experience all the colors that the game has. And it's a pretty fast game, graphics are really fast moving, high intensity, high energy, a lot of dynamism in the game. And hence, if that game looks good on a phone, then the phone must be really good. And that's exactly what I'm doing here, or at least I'm trying to do, is to show this game to you on the Galaxy A6 Plus. And again, unlike the Chameleon Run, no issues here whatsoever, right? It's absolutely smooth. I'm not really feeling any delay. The game responds pretty well, very responsive to touch, and it works fantastic, fabulous. The last game I want to test is Smash Hit. This is not really as intense, but why I'm testing this is because contrast is a really big thing for this game, right? The more contrast you're able to show or have on your display, the better this game looks. And again, it's Super AMOLED display. Anyway, a very high contrast screen, right? So I think it works fabulously well in this one too. So that's it, guys, from my end for the Galaxy A6 Plus gaming. A couple of hiccups with the Chameleon Run, but all other games, absolutely no issue. All HD games playing well. Thank you, guys.